Hello YouTube. So today I want to do a kind of a user review of a set of tires that I just bought about a month and a half ago, and just wanted to share my experience and do a kind of a testimonial with you guys. So this is a 2010 Acura RDX, and it's got about 160,000 miles on it. And the previous set of tires was they were Goodyear Assurance tires, and they were not worn out, but you know, after about 35,000 miles it just got very noisy, very annoying on the highway. So I went shopping for tires, and I checked out Consumer Reports, and this is a set of tires that a brand that they recommended, or it was rated high. So I went and got them from Discount Tire, and so the tire that I bought is this Kumho Crugen Premium. Okay, so these are Kumho tires. I don't know if I can show the name brand on there. I believe you can see that's Kumho, right? And so that's what the tire would look like installed. Okay, so let me go to the rear of the truck, so you can see it there as well. Okay, so that's the tire that's installed, Kumho, and talking about again Crugen Premium. Okay, so my experience with this set of tires, you know, in the what, about 1,000 miles now I've driven this, maybe. Very quiet, and goes straight on the highway. Handling is much better than before with the Goodyears, and very good when it comes to wet traction. And you can see also that the rating on a tire from the government is pretty good as well. Tread wear at 440, so you know that, yeah, translates to about 40 to 50,000 miles expected longevity. And then you also have traction rated at 8, that's the best, and then temperature at 8. That means it can tolerate high temperature, and the tire would not degrade. Traction means in the rain, in the snow, it's rated the best as far as, you know, grading. So this is pretty good set of tires. I think they retail for, I'm not sure, but I think they retail for about I don't know, 130 or something like that. I got these from Discount Tire's website. They have actually a store on eBay, and they had a set there for very cheap. So because they were I think they were takeoff, so you know they've been used a little bit. And also talking about Discount Tire, I also recommend them because I don't know if you guys know, but they actually would fix flats for free, even though you didn't buy the tire from them. So that's an advantage, number one. Number two, if you do buy the tire from them, then the rotating and balancing would be free for the life of the tires. And you know, obviously they have this extended warranty you can buy as well, you know, kind of a road hazard type warranty, and you know, I bought that as well. And that actually came in handy, because after I bought this set of tires, had them installed, I mean, within 200 miles, I had a flat, a nail puncture that's very close to the sidewall of the tire, and they look at it and say, well, yeah, this has to be replaced, but since you have the warranty, they call it certified or certification, but you know, basically just a hazard warranty. They gave me a new tire for free, no questions asked. So that really worked out. So yep. So just wanted to kind of, you know, post a testimonial about these tires. I definitely would recommend them. And so thanks a lot for watching, and if you liked the video, please subscribe and like, and talk to you soon. God bless. Bye.